previous lecture, in offset entity lecture, we created this module. Now we will see what is mirror entities, how to mirror a part, how to mirror a things. So we are already in a plane, so just select one center line, draw one horizontal center line. Okay, now select mirror entity. We want to mirror this whole part, so select whole part here, select here and choose this line. See, is going to mirror. And keep remember, you should check here copy. If you will not copy, it will not come here. Select copy. Okay. Now see, we already mirrored it. Now we will do the same thing one more time. Now we will mirror this to this line. So select mirror entities and select the whole component. Mirror about this line. Now this time uncheck this copy. Select OK. You see, it is copied, but it is mirrored but not copied. So this time this will go. So the same as mirror entities, select whole component, select mirror about, and this time check copy. That means this component going to copy after this line. Click OK. See, it is mirror, it is copied. So this is the simple tool mirror entity, how to mirror anything from here to there. It's very easy and simple. Even create one small things. Connect with this line and select this line, construction geometry. And we want to mirror these three items, so just select mirror entity, select these three parts, mirror about this part. Okay. See your multi-body part ready. So I hope you enjoyed this